Very cool. A lot of people camping. Lots and lots. I don't know why I started a whisper. Like they're trying to sleep. I mean, some of these people definitely live out here, right? I would think so. These trees are sick, though. Makes me want to get out and camp, dude. I want to take a trip on the bike and just go camping wherever. Okay, yeah, they definitely live there, dude. They have to. Leo and EMS. Who's Leo? Why does Leo get to exit there, but not us? That's racist. The sunlight coming through the trees. That's kind of tight. I don't know if I'm pointing my helmet the right way. There.